Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about how to post vouchers in ERP system and track entry effects and reports. In this video, I'll guide you the step-by-step process of entering and posting a voucher, journal ledger, trial balance, balance sheet, and profit loss. First of all, navigate to the financial management system. Under the financial system section, click on voucher entry. Select the voucher type and month. Click OK. Click on add new. System may auto-generate some fields like voucher key and transaction code. Ensure the correct date. Enter the GL code here. Like I will go for cash in hand. Head office. Narration. Test. Debit amount 100. Click on add. This was the debit entry. The process will repeat for the credit entry, as this ERP works with double entry system in which one GL or BP code will be debit and another GL or BP code will be credit to balance amount. Click on code. Entertainment expense. Narration test. Credit amount 100. Add. After entering the debit and credit entry, click on save. And you will see the message here, record saved successfully. Click OK. You can print that voucher. Select a voucher and print. This is your voucher. After voucher entry, we need to check journal ledger. Again, go on financial system, click on journal ledger. There are multiple ways to view journal ledger and BP ledgers. I'll go for expert systems, print journal ledger, and this is your journal ledger. Next we have trial balance. Again, go to the financial system, click on trial balance. We can check reflection of voucher entry and trial balance by section of segment key and click on print GL trial. This is trial balance. Next we have balance sheet. Navigate to the MIS. Click on balance sheet notes. Select the level, transaction code. Click on segment, print balance sheet. This is our balance sheet. Next we have profit loss. Again, go to the MIS section. Click on PL notes. Select the level, expert system, print PL notes. This is our profit loss sheet. This is how you can post vouchers in expert systems ERP. Thank you so much for watching.